We're having a problem with our blackberries, and it's the lawn. Every year, the blackberries get some weed eater or herbicide damage from the lawn. So what we want to do is kill the lawn right up around them. We're doing that, first of all, by putting down a piece of plastic so that we can solarize, or in other words, heat up in a greenhouse, the grass underneath it and kill it with heat. Now, we started this when it was hot. Now it's not terribly hot. So we're also using herbicide. And so we have applied glyphosate here. And you can see that we've done a good job killing most of the grass. There's still some coming up. And so in order for a complete kill, we're going to put more glyphosate down here in a little while and probably continue every few weeks checking to make sure that it's all dead. Then, once it's all dead, this winter we can go ahead and put up a border and fill it with mulch, and then we don't have that problem anymore. But this is how you can kill grass in an area if you want to get rid of it.